What a good helper, Grant.
A rivalry like
Honda
versus
Yamaha Coke
versus
Pepsi Cowboys
versus
Redskins Nacho cheese
versus
Cool Ranch
versus.
Brother
That leads us to the biggest rivalry, September 3rd, 2022. 1 point separates them.
Chase Sexton
Versus
Eli Tomac.
oh, Jet. Oh! Jet, hole shot.
Probably try to split him up again.
Oh, he's back on it. Here comes, oh, look at this three-way battle.
Oh, we got a heck of a battle going on right here. I'm with Jet Lawrence.
Shut up, JT.
I was worried that Jet
Because it's Jason Thomas.
Yeah. Yeah, it's the party. The party's on.
for this next lap, too. It'll be interesting to see what happens if they get in this situation.
Or Shimoda trying to get Jet.
Oh, outside line.
Way wide around the outside. Just not quite enough.
Oh!
Yeah, but
He needs his points.
He landed that soft stuff.
Side by side to the rollers, James.
Oh, that was nice. See, what you saw was Hunter actually really up into that, so he didn't drop down deep into that.
Inside line.
Joe right there. So Hunter's found some good lines. He's had the luxury of seeing both of those guys
Put
lines.
it past him. Put it on it.
No, it's right there.
Yeah, they're
Oh, I
right there
thought that was
with Jet
him in
again. I
front.
thought Jet was going to get away while they were battling. They caught back up to him momentarily. What a race.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
He was wondering if these guys were with this second place means something to him. There you go.
Oh, that's so
That's it.
cool.
I mean, there's probably bonus money on the line for second in the series.
Oh,
Final stretch to the finish. Wheel to wheel. Jet looks better.
Champion.
And he's got the little win over his brother.
And he's got the title.
First champion.
That's the most important, man.
announced. Jet Lawrence. Team Honda. Boo.
Takes the moto win and makes the math easy. Gets to cool down.
Ice bath.
It's still so hot.
After a long moto, what do?
Your
Ice
butt
bath. That sucks. Get that core temperature down.
It's still so hot.
Nothing like a little ice bath to get that core body temp down. Let's go.
Ow.
Drop, 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 drop. Oh,
If this is it, we're
Let's
going to go
go.
down.
go, baby. Go, go.
It's the heat of the monster. He can celebrate it. Yeah, he can get this thing because Chase he's in a situation right now.
Let's go. Pull away.
You're going to see a hot lap right
Go, go, go.
Yeah, the more race they want.
This is good for Dad.
Stay up, Sexton.
Let's go, baby.
One of the strongest riders ever.
Come on, baby.
And that's it.
He got hung up right
Yeah,
there.
he did.
Continues to close.
Come on,
Here it is, the
Sexton.
final stretch.
Go, 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 go.
He
Go, Tomac. Yes, Tomac.
Woo!
Let's go.
Race one winner.
Tomac.
Any more happy to give these guys credit right now. He would have had
Just
a
little lap.
stronger
Too
chance to go. So it just shows life, man. You evolve and not only all
Let's go.
under fire, under pressure.
Yeah!